JaeHub is looking for entrepreneurship course as work-from-home intern. Entrepreneurship interns assist with the startup, growth, and development of new business ventures. Market research. Conducting market research, analyzing data and trends, and preparing reports on market conditions. Business planning. Assisting with the preparation of business plans, including market analysis, financial projections, and operational strategies. Customer outreach. Assisting with the development of customer relationships, including outreach, communication, and follow-up. Sales and marketing. Assisting with sales and marketing efforts, including the preparation of presentations, proposals, and other marketing materials. Operations management. Assisting with the day-to-day operations of the business, including the management of resources, personnel, and processes. Shadowing and learning. Observing and learning from experienced entrepreneurs and business professionals, participating in meetings and training sessions.